so we're doing the intro slash outro on the floor because we almost broke my chair. But we all fit in the screen now, so, and let me undo my braid because I look childish. Hello everyone, Lexi Lou here. I don't know why Brandon's hiding his face, but I know you clicked on this video to see Brandon get his makeup done by me. This is Brandon's makeup look. He chose out all the products, well almost all. He chose out his, is that even a word? Disclaimer, he chose his foundation, concealer, and eyeshadow shades. So, I promise I did not try to make him lighter than his actual skin tone, although I think it turned out pretty okay. He looks a little ashy, but, yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
If you like his lip color and eyeshadow shade, give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't, then just leave, okay? He has a YouTube channel if you want to check it out below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Roll right into it. The Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. We love a man who doesn't have fragile masculinity. Now it'll be L'Oreal Lumi health whatever foundation. I just want to say Brandon picked these shades. Let it be known that Brandon picked these shades, not me. Yo, we're gonna contour your nose. CoverGirl concealer. The RCMA no color powder.
That hurts to be cute.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm already cute.
You look like you're being possessed when you do that.
Eyebrows.
Can we pluck that shit?
Makes it look like you did cocaine.
Don't do drugs.
Why don't we start on the eyes? So Hailey, what look are we going for today? Are we going to be doing a neutral look? Or are we going to be doing a bold color look? I'm thinking that.
Yes.
Or these. On Brandon's eyes, we're going to be taking this shade right here with this blue shade, and we're going to be making a halo eye kind of deal. And to darken it up, we're going to be going to the Jaclyn Hill palette. ugh, and taking this dark blue shade down here and putting on the outer V. The Ofra Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut highlight on his lid and brow bone and inner corner to brighten the look up.
I'm a bit possessed. Does it look scary when everyone else does it? Because I don't think I look scary like that.
Whoa, whoa!
Look at the viewfinder.
I look like someone's black auntie. Like if Whitney Houston cut off all her hair, she'll look like me.
We are going to attempt to contour Brandon's face with this shade, my Beat Ash Shade Light palette.
I always tell myself I'm just a tan white person. I look like a Snapchat filter.
We took the Jeffree Star Uranus highlights and put it all over. Actually, you don't really need it, but I'm gonna do it to torture you. You look so sad. Okay.
Crying.
Stop freaking blinking, getting all over the bottom of your eyelash.
I'm sorry. I feel like there's a Sharpie on my face.
I don't even know what to say. I didn't think this would happen, but here we are. Hailey's boyfriend, because I'm single and I don't have anyone to do makeup on besides
And
my
they
friends.
probably wouldn't let you.
Thanks for watching! Subscribe, follow me on my links down below. Be tagging Brandon and maybe Hailey. He's gonna go light this off now. Deuces.